In this video, we're going to focus on the array length method, and the array length method is also a very powerful and useful tool, because if you're going to use the data and you're going to filter out certain array values, you want to know what's the complete length of that array. And the reason why you want to know that is basically if you're going to have your chart here, you want to make sure that you don't have too much data or not missing certain data points. So in here right now, we had this from the previous video, we were missing one and we got this quick item, we had an error, and I want to just quickly solve that one. So how can we do this in this? How can we do this with the length method? Well, let's scroll down here, and then in here, we can see here the following. So if we look at this code here, you so far would understand these are all the constants. Then we have here the data fill, which was filling up the data here. And here we're pushing up a value. So what we can do here is the following, is to indicate a specific length to the array. However, the length of the array should be in the right order. So let's say here, if I would just get this, I say this console.log, we're going to show the length. We say .length. And if I just save this, you will see that the length of this is just 6. And the reason why is we didn't push any value here. So if we save this, it's just 6. And this is correct. So the length here as well, 6 is 6, or is 6 as well. So that's fine. However, let's adjust this. We're going to adjust this and move this down just below here where the value has been pushed based on the index of as well in combination with. So if I save this now and refresh, you can see now we have this here. Alright. So you might say, well, okay, how can we then solve this? And because this here basically, it doesn't make any sense. We have this and then we want to fill them with a fixed data. What if it's just blank? It's blank, but there's a problem here is we want to make sure that the data is still correct. Or how do we match this data with whatever happens here above? Well, the answer is simple. What we need to do is here, we're going to say the following. We have this const data, which is basically blank. We're just going to remove everything. Just put this down here and just save this and refresh. You can see now nothing happens. Even the filler will not respond at all. But that's what we're going to fix now. What we're going to do is the following. We're going to say here, we say data2.length equals data.length. So basically we say the same length, because now it understands there's the same length. So let's do here console.log data2.length, and then here I will also put in data2.length. You will see now it's exactly the same. If I save this now, refresh, you can see previously we had 0. It indicates that there was no value in the arrays, which is correct because it was blank or empty. And after that we say we want the length to be identical to the data length, which is this data array value, or this array value here, and then it shows here number 7, length of 7, and then we're going to fill it up with the default value of 7 in every element here, or every index here, or element, doesn't matter what you want to say or how you want to define it. And that is exactly what we want. So this is basically how you can quickly do it with length. Very powerful, because with this you can do a for loop as well, which I will show you in well, not the next video, but another video, specifically covering that topic. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course, where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.